Hello folks, it's another day and I hope you're having a good one. I'm having a good one too. I'm out here killing weeds because it's winter time, yes, and when the snow melts, these things pop up and they stay alive for some reason even when the snow's on top of them and even when it's bitter doggone cold. Because you can see my whole yard is getting infested with these little weeds. And these weeds are special because they'll spread when spring comes and they'll get big. Some of them will get like 3-4 feet tall. So it's best to spray them now. So you can either use the Glyphosate from Tractor Supply, and it has suffocant in it, which means suffocant is for it to stick to the weeds after you put it on there. And so 15 minutes later, you're good because it's stuck to the plant. But make sure that because it's wintertime, it takes for the ingredients to take longer to work on the plant. So make sure it doesn't snow or rain for at least 2 days. Or if you want to be environmentally friendly, you can go with the 30% vinegar, and I'll leave a link in the description for all these products. And make sure you use your spray indicator. It'll help you remember where you sprayed. And for the vinegar, I would add some suffocant to it, okay? So it'll stick and stay after 15 minutes and not leave. But the vinegar is pretty strong. It'll wipe them weeds out. But this stuff is the best, in my opinion, for wiping these guys out for good. So let's get out there and make some friends. Now, I don't know all the names of all the weeds, but right here is like a winter grass. That needs to go. You have these little guys. They'll spread like crazy when it gets springtime. And these right here will make cockleburrs. And boy, they hurt when you step on them. And there's a whole bunch of vegetation out here I just need to give some love to. And just spray them up. Give them some love. Now, they won't die as quick as when it's summertime, but they sure will go down. Just give it about a week or so, maybe 14 days it may take, because it's slow. It's wintertime, you know. It's cold and things don't work as fast. I know I don't move as fast anymore. So I tell you what, when it gets cold, I'm moving mighty slow. So we hit this area pretty good, and I bet you these guys will be gone in about 14 to 20 days for sure. All right, let's go to another area and spray some love. Yeah, check out this one right here. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like parsley. And I tell you what, this thing right now is small and it's super cold outside. It's almost about 31 degrees. And this thing will get huge when spring spreads. It'll spread all over this area, good 4 or 5 feet quickly, and even get bigger as time progresses. This right here is one of those I was talking about. These little things are nasty when you grab them. They're prickly. They're like thistle sometimes. Thistle's horrible, boy. That thing, when you get thistles out there, make sure you spray them suckers too. But these things will get tall. I mean, they'll get like 3-4 feet tall, and they're nasty. They're hard to get rid of. So spray them too. Let me give it a little love here. Oh yeah, I know it feels better already for it. Wow, look at this. You know, they call this the field of dreams, but this is not the field, and this is not the dream I'm looking for. So I'm telling you what, right now I'm gonna get after it and spray this whole field of nightmares away. Because this stuff will just get worse and thicker and taller when spring comes. So when you have a break between the snow or a warm day in the winter there, get out here and spray them doggone weeds and get rid of them before spring comes. Because weeds don't go away, they just get bigger and worse. Good luck, God bless, and works for me.